Hello, today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to change the shapes of letters, and I've already started my Photoshop document. This tutorial is specifically helpful when you're creating logos. I'm going to switch over to my text tool and I'll just type in my name to make it easy. And so now I've got my text layer. I'm going to switch over to my move tool. I'll right click on my text layer and choose convert to shape. So now all these letters are shapes instead of text. I can no longer edit them as far as change what they say, so I hope I don't have a typo. Once I have that done, I'm going to choose this arrow tool, and I'm going to actually hold that down. I don't want the path selection, I want the direct selection tool, this white arrow. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that. And you saw briefly there that all my letters had handles on them, and they no longer do, but I can fix that if I can get to, shouldn't be this difficult. There it is. Just click on the edge of the shape, the border, and with one of these handles selected, I can click and drag it to move it so that I can create a different shape. So here I just clicked on the dot for the eye, and I can change that shape. I have selected a shape first, and then click on an individual dot to select only that handle, and then I can move that handle. That's all there is to editing a shape. This also works if I use the custom shape tool. Okay, so I have this Paul shape selected. I'm going to create a new layer for that. Click and drag a Paul, and oh, that's alright. That has a gradient on it. So I can select a handle and adjust the shape of this Paul. And if I want to drag that line out, I can do that with that handle selected and change the shape of that. And by doing this, you can create your own custom letter shapes and custom shapes. So that's all there is to it. Pretty simple, but it does come in handy when you're creating logos.